Hello, tech enthusiast. You've come to the right place. At Tech, we analyze everything that's coming onto the market, the latest and greatest in technology. Google is gradually rolling out an update, Pixel Camera version 10.1, to older Pixel devices, introducing Material 3 expressive design changes. This update refines the app's aesthetics to better align with the overall system look and other updated Pixel apps. The changes, while not drastic, include visual tweaks like a modified shutter button, now lacking a solid outer circle, slightly larger zoom options, and a new squircle-shaped selfie button. Within the settings menu, users will find a cleaner interface featuring more circular touch buttons, checkmark toggles for active settings, and improved organizational separation by category. The article notes that the update is being implemented via Google's characteristically slow, staged rollout, meaning availability will vary significantly among users with older Pixel models. If you like being at the forefront, subscribe and join our community. Activate the bell and don't miss a single update.